Magandang umaga. Tuloy
Oh,
What's tuloy?
again.
po kayo.
Again.
Magandang umaga. Tuloy po kayo.
Okay. She said, repeat first.
Good
Magandang
morning! Magandang umaga.
umaga. Tuloy
Tuloy
po
po
kayo.
kayo.
It means, good morning, please come in. Okay? Okay?
Okay. Come in where?
Come in. There's a visitor. So, she's greeting a visitor and saying, good morning, please come in. Okay? That's magandang umaga, good morning. Tuloy po kayo, please come in. Okay? Right? What does po means in Tagalog?
It's like a polite way to talk to an elder one. Yeah.
Correct. So what's a polite word in English?
Mom.
Please, right?
Oh,
That's
please.
polite. Please.
Magic word. Yeah, but that's the
Okay. And then tuloy means come in. Okay?
tuloy. Just tuloy.
Tuloy.
Just tuloy.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Magandang umaga.
Tuloy
Tuloy
po
po
kayo.
kayo.
Okay,
Tuloy
again.
po kayo. I always hear you and mommy say that.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, repeat.
Magandang umaga. Tuloy po kayo.
Good. Lala,
I forgot
didn't
the
hear
last.
you.
I forgot the last part of the first one.
I didn't hear Lala. Go.
Okay, wait. What's the first one again?
Okay.
Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. What did you say?
Lala, it's umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Don't have time.
Umaga.
It's already bell, oh. What? Not a teach.
Tuloy po kayo.
Again, Lala, all straight.
Madam